Now that we've met Heather and her adorable boys, let's make these puppets she designed. It's really simple to do, and you'll need a few ingredients, including some paint, some wax-covered straws, googly eyes, some felt and decorations for clothing, styrofoam balls, and some glue. It also is really handy to have a bamboo skewer or a chopstick for the handle. So, to get started, we're going to paint the ball, and we want to paint it a flesh tone, so you can kind of pick the color that works for you or even mix it up custom. I'm going to use a little bit of beige with a little bit of brown to make just the right shade for me. Oh, and to make it easy to paint a ball, just put a skewer in the end. That way you can hold on to it and not get your fingers all dirty. So you pounce the paint into the ball, and when you get it all covered, you're going to set aside and let it dry. While that's doing its thing, we're going to make some clothes. So the base to the body is this little cup. And all we're going to do is create a template by rolling and tracing, or you can find the template on our website. And we're going to cut out some clothes. Now, you can use felt, you can use recycled clothing at your house, you can use any fabric that you might have lying around that would be fun. So once you get your base all cut out, we're going to go ahead and glue it onto the cup. And of course, white glue is so good for this. It's so easy. Whoop. Let me get the one that's open, because that's helpful. Like so, and just glue all the way around. You'll notice here if it overlaps a little bit, more white glue will do the trick. And here's another handy tip. If you want to hold something together and you don't want to just squish it, you can use a handy dandy clothespin as an extra hand. So you're going to finish decorating this using whatever scraps you might have on hand. And I've got one here about ready to go. Here I used a rubber band and a clothespin. And now we're going to assemble the puppet. So you'll want to cut a circle of felt, just big enough to go over the top, and snip a little hole for the skewer to come through. So now we're going to take the ball, we're going to push it up through the middle of the cup, put on our little felt circle, like so, and another little dab of glue, and reassemble it. So now we are ready to decorate. What we'll do is add some wax sticks to make a cute little mouth, and decorate with hair, with any color that would match your family. I think it'd be fun to make every member of the family their own. And what's nice is that these wax sticks stick on without any extra glue. You just press them into place. The finishing touch is to add your googly eyes with a little dab of glue, and then let it dry completely so that you can play. And then you are all set. And Katie will be up next.